Are you struggling to teach with AI and also balance the potential loss of student voice in your classroom? If the answer is yes, I'm right with you. My name is Melinda Rangel and I teach at Tabor College. And in my session, I'll share with you a framework that I developed called my 3W approach that I use to balance this issue. I know my students need AI instruction to prepare them for the workforce, but I also know they need critical thinking and problem solving and communication. So I'll share with you how I've applied my framework to teach with AI, to prepare students for the workforce, but also ensure that I haven't lost student voice in the classroom. Come to my session and let's learn together. Bring a class idea with you, an assignment maybe that you want to redesign, and let's walk through the steps together. And I look forward to seeing you in Cincinnati.